Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride.
Welcome to the new J Street Cycle Track. Davis Bicycles is excited to bring you this informational video about this important addition to our city's bicycling infrastructure. What is a cycle track, you ask? According to bicyclinginfo.org, cycle tracks are separated bike facilities that run alongside a roadway. Cycle tracks are separated from car traffic by a physical barrier. In our case, those white bollards. The J Street Cycle Track is a two-way track, meaning bicycle traffic flows in both directions on the west side of J Street. The main purpose of this cycle track is to get students to and from school without having to cross J Street mid-block. As you can see here, a mid-block crossing can be risky. So what's the protocol for using this cycle track? Let's follow the Phillips family as they navigate, beginning from Holmes Junior High School, proceeding on to J Street at the three-way stop. Notice that sharrows have replaced the, nothing on Drexel Drive. These are an important part of the safety improvements that include the cycle track and the pushed-out curbs at Drexel and L Street. Sharrows indicate the street is to be shared by both bicycles and cars. Bicycles are allowed to travel in the middle of the lane because this makes them more visible and allows them to avoid the dreaded door zone. Anyway, let's get back to the cycle track. As you approach the intersection, move to the marked sharrow so you'll be highly visible in the intersection. Be sure to stop. That sign applies to bicycles as well as cars. If you're heading to the H Street Tunnel, proceed straight across J Street to the northbound or right side of the cycle track. Enter the bike path at the driveway and you're on your way. If you're going north on J Street past the tunnel, turn right back at the intersection and use the old bike lane on the northbound side of J Street. Now let's switch directions. To ride from the north side, either from the H Street Tunnel or from J Street north of Drexel, you just proceed into the track as if it were a bike lane. If you're turning from the bike path, be sure to check for bicycle traffic coming south on J Street. These bicyclists have the right-of-way, so you need to wait until the way is clear. As you're riding the cycle track, watch for northbound traffic. Remember, this is a two-way cycle track. At the intersection, stop at the stop line, check the intersection, and proceed directly across when it's your turn to go. If a vehicle driver waves you through, it's okay to go, but make sure all the drivers in the intersection know that you're going. Once you're on Drexel, you can either hop up on the bike path next to the sidewalk or stay on the road, riding the sharrows. Thanks for listening. Davis Bicycles hopes this video has been informative and helps to make the cycle track a strong part of our city's bicycling infrastructure. Keep on riding.